Another essential computer skill is knowing how to remove USB drives. You don't just yank them out. When you stick them in, you don't just yank them out. You have to eject them first. And not everybody knows that. Why? Why do you need to eject? Why do you need to eject your USB flash drive before you take it out? Because the reason you eject it is because you want to make sure that your computer is done writing any of the data or reading data from it. Because if your data is currently writing data to your USB drive and you pull it out, it can't write anymore. So it might have only half written what it needed to write. And if you pull it out while it's writing, you pull it out while it's writing, I just said that. If you pull it out while it's writing, then you're going to have some unwritten data on there, which will be an error. So you won't have all of your file, or whatever you're writing on there won't work, won't open, won't run properly. So I'm going to stick my USB drive in. When I do, we're going to watch down here in the right corner of this screen, right there. We're going to watch, and we're going to see something pop up. You ready? Here we go. I'm sticking it in. Okay, so Kaspersky Internet Security came up and said, what do you want to do? And I would say, hey, I want to full scan this. I'm going to full scan it. Awesome. There's my full scan. And completed. And threats, none. So I'm going to close that. And then I could go into here if I want. I could open this up. So I could open it up and look at it. And there's my drive right there. When I'm done with it, I want to right-click it. And I want to choose not object. There is no object. I object, Your Honor. There is an eject. So when I'm ready to get rid of that one, I choose eject. And it now tells me down here in the right corner, you can now safely remove this device. And by the way, you might have seen when I had that device in there, what did I name that device? I'm going to stick it back in so you can check it out again. And I'm going to do not scan because I just scanned it. I'm going to open it. And you'll notice that the name of this device is actually a phone number. I entered the phone number, which I'm not going to show you all of because it's actually my wife's cell phone. But I entered the phone number for the name of this device. And the reason I did that is because if I ever lose my flash drive, somebody might find it. And hopefully they won't be a dunce and they'll recognize that this is a phone number. And they could call me. And then I will get my flash drive back. I could right-click that, and I could also choose rename, and that's how I was able to enter my phone number. Now that I'm done with that, I right-click it and I choose eject, not reject, not object, but eject, and I'm ready to take my flash drive out. And that, my friends, is an essential computer skill, knowing that when you're done with the flash drive, you need to eject it before you pull it out.